Donna Schaefer here. Just wanted to let you know that it is time to start planting. So, why are we planting now when there's snow outside? Because we want our plants nice and big by the time it is spring. Now, I do have a greenhouse in my backyard, which I can show you a picture of. But it's too cold to it's just too cold to grow things right now. All my plants are dead. Now I do have another greenhouse that has the heaters at the bottom, but we still need to get these sprouts going. So what I've done here is, and my little helper is going to help me, Jasmine. Yay! Yay! I'm Jazzy. Jazzy. Yeah. So what I've done here is I bought these handy dandy cups, and they're biodegradable. But if you know anything about these, they do not disintegrate very fast. I think it takes a full season. What you can do is, and I do believe we'll try to do that with one. I do believe you can just put these right in the ground, and the roots will go right through it, which is totally awesome. So what I've done is I've had some worm casting here. I believe that is the best way to start your plants, and it adds a lot of nutrients, and we will add some nutrients later as well, and I'll tell you when in another video. But what I've done is I put a little bit of worm casting in each one of these cups, and I've already put some seeds in these. We're going to put some in here. Jasmine's going to help me with that.
Yeah, I'm the helper.
So we're starting with the plants that we want pretty big by the time we actually put them in the ground. So the plan is to start them inside and then put them in a south window because that's where it's going to get the most sunlight. Yeah. And then we are going to put them outside once they sprout and put them over the heater so that they will grow. And then by the time spring comes, we have nice big plants. When you go to the store, they're nice big because they start now. Also, green peppers or red peppers or yellow peppers, if you don't start them now in January, then you might not even get a pepper by the end of October or September, October, depending on how long it is warm in your area. So I already started the broccoli. I'm going to grow some Brussels sprouts here. Fresh Brussels sprouts are awesome. So I have some seeds, and I also have seeds that I saved myself. I'll do a video on that later of how to save some seeds that you can. And you just do take the seeds when they come. And I'll try to take pictures of all the things that I've done and the ones that you can as well. So Jasmine, we're going to do 4 Brussels sprouts. We've done 4 broccoli. We're going to do some peppers and lettuce. I like crust, arugula, butter lettuce, romaine lettuce. Add a little brain fart there. So I like to put 3 or 4 seeds in each container. And I didn't say before that peppers like room. If you start them in those little, I forgot what they're called, but the little seed starters, they don't tend to grow. Yeah, 4. And what I've done is I ordered some plastic labelers because what I took the wrapper from this and I made some makeshift labels here. But these disintegrate really fast and they're useless, and then you still don't know what the plant is. And I've done that before where I planted, I'm like, oh, well, I'll figure it out. I know what my plants look like, but it's really nice to know what's there. The other thing of why I start in these cups is because if I put them directly in the ground, sometimes I can't tell the difference between weed and plant. And then I go to weed or somebody else helps me weed and they pull up my plant. Very bad day. Very bad day. So I'm starting them in the plants. I make sure the garden is, yes ma'am.
Should I put the rest and everything?
Which ones did you put them in? These 3? Mm-hmm. One more. We're gonna do 4 Brussels sprouts, 4 broccoli.
Here?
Yes.
Here?
Yes. And we might do a couple of extra broccoli because we have broccoli thieves that take all of the plants because they're yummy. And later on, we'll do some recipes for our yummy plants. Now,
I put an extra one in there.
thank you. So we have, we put a little bit of seed in there. We're just going to put a little bit of the worm casting on top.
Oh,
Yeah, I know. We'll flatten that out a little bit. And then we will put the labels in here that say
spoiled it.
Brussels sprouts. Get the other label and put it in here. And then later on, when they actually sprout, I will show you that. And also when we're ready to put them in the greenhouse so that they are actually outside already and getting acclimated to the outside weather other than the heater. And then we can turn the heater off when it gets warm enough outside. And then we will show you how to proceed from there. So if you like what's going on, give me a thumbs up. Tell me you like it. Tell me what you want to see. We can try to grow weird things and have fun together. Right, Jasmine?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you next time, hopefully. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye.